Hello and welcome to the Clothesline store. If you're looking for a forest glade or green hills rotary coloured clothes hoist, we have a solution for you. The Hills Rotary Clothes Hoist is one of the most popular clothes hoists on the market today. It's available in three different colours. One is basalt, which is a grey, forest glade, which is very popular and traditionally green, and then ocean breeze, which is blue. The Clothesline comes in three different models. There's the Rotary 6, the Rotary 7 and the Rotary 8. They suit between 1 and 5 people. They can hold a double sheet, queen sheet and a king sheet depending on the size clothesline you purchase. The number of lines range from 6 lines, 7 lines and 8 lines. The line length or hanging area is from 36 metres, 47 metres and a massive 58 metres, making it the biggest folding clothes hoist on the market today. The head diameter is 3.2 metres, 3.6 metres and up to 4 metres for the larger Rotary 8. They can be folded up when not in use and they are removable. Some assembly is required and the country of manufacture is China. They come with a Hills factory-backed 10-year warranty on the frame and 1 year on the cord. The Clothesline arrives in several components. First is the lower section, the upper section, which clips together. They are pre-wired. They come with a socket assembly, which allows you to lift the clothesline in and out of the ground. It also includes 3 spacers, which allows you to elevate the clothesline if you desire. Also included in the box is the instruction manual. At the Clothesline store, you will find a full range of clothesline types, sizes and styles from all the leading industry brands. At the Clothesline store, we offer an installation and removal service. So if you're looking to have your new clothesline installed or want your old one removed and a new one installed, we can help. You can find out more details by visiting our installation page at theclotheslines.com.au. So thank you for visiting the Clothesline store. I hope we have a solution for you. If you require any additional information on any of our products or services, you can contact any of the numbers on the screen, visit our website, or download our free official Clothesline Buyer's Guide. My name's Jason, thanks for watching and bye for now.